So, I'm actually filming this on the HoverAir X1 using the little microphone connected to the HoverAir app behind me. And why am I still using the X1 when I have the Pro Max and the DJI Neo? Well, in a nutshell, that thing is about 2/3 the size of that thing, even when that's folded. It doesn't fold at all. I like to carry these things around with me, so that literally, the X1 I'm filming this on, I can just slot it into my top pocket of my shirt, which is so much easier for carrying around. That doesn't fold at all, so that's not going to help. And that is considerably bigger, and will probably go in my jacket pocket, but that's not so portable. Considerably better in all sorts of ways, but I feel like the portability of the X1, which is why I have no intention of getting rid of it. Also, in theory, that should be recording the sound. Hopefully it'll take out all of the rotor noises that you have there, which you will see on the other video.